Hey y'all, Crystal here, SilverBorders. So today I have a tip for my GRS ball vise. So I make a lot of rings, and then I have rings that I need to set all the stones. So I just kind of do this as a more production style. I get them all made and then I just sit here and set them all. Well, one thing I had a problem with was this thing moving. So when I'm sitting here setting the stone and I'm hitting it, I mean, you can see it slides forward. It just doesn't stay in place. I did look on GRS's website. I mean, this was probably a year ago, and I found rubber one, and I tried that, and that didn't help my needs. Now, this doesn't have to be for any GRS ball vise. I mean, it can be for any ball vise you have that is moving, but this is what I do. I take screws, and then I'm just going to screw these into my bench pin, and then it won't move. So let me show you. I just take my screwdriver, yeah, my DeWalt power drill. You can use a screwdriver, and then I just screw her in. There we go. Okay, so here's a close-up of me doing this one, so my arm's not in the way. And then, like I said, you're not screwing into, the main thing you're doing is bumping it up against this, and then it won't move. And also, if you already have your drill holes that are in the vise from the last time you did it, and you don't want to get your power drill out, you can just use a screwdriver and screw it in too. Doesn't take long at all. There you go. So now I can just set my ring, and I'm not worried about it sliding everywhere. So that's really all I have today. If you know of a better way, leave it in the comments. But if you can, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, I would be very grateful. If not, no worries. My main goal here is just to put information out there and then hope somebody can learn something. Or I can learn something. So, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.